great lunch. Goodness knows what size that chick is going to be.
You know, I reckon that might get turkey's egg.
Oh, Drake, how could a turkey get to be in my nest? Must be your side of the family.
We'll have to wait and see what he takes after, won't we?
Yes, dear.
Anyway, let's fly. I promised the rooster I'd help him count the chickens.
all the time, feeling I'm just ignored. I don't pretend that this is all his doing. I'm a sucker for the billing and the cooing. But when you hear that pitter-patter of tiny feet, it doesn't matter how long I've had to sit here and mind my balls are golden brown, their beaks constantly open, waiting for food. It's the joy of motherhood. Those little ducklings walk around alive. I'll do what any other mother would to try to do the best to bring them alive. It's the joy of motherhood. Those little birds that make no sense.
Family arrives.
Not him. Duck by name and duck by nature. Ducking out of his responsibility.
Well, how much longer do you have to go?
Well, by my reckoning, they should be out by now. I went to all my female hatching classes, run by that satisfied store. Well, she said that half a month, but 2 weeks is up.
Oh, the best things come first in wayside.
I know. Why do we put ourselves through it? Every spring, it's exactly the same. Oh, but just think of all the rewards. All those lovely